What up with it, Q or the QT couple? Nice, beautiful day outside. It's bright. Let me get in the shadows a little bit, man. But today is a very, very special day. As you can see from the title, today is gonna be a proposal video vlog. Now we're going up to this place called Dry Falls. It's really nice, huge waterfall, and I figured it'd be dope to propose by a waterfall. That'd be so dope, that'd be so clean. And with Corona and everything going on, you can't exactly just go have a nice dinner or anything like that. So you gotta go out there with nature. There's also the reason why we aren't wearing the nicest of clothes. Hopefully she don't get too mad at me because we ain't all dressed up and everything like that, and I'm gonna be putting it on the internet. But anyway, it's about the element of surprise for me. I'm trying to surprise her so she ain't gonna know what hit her. It's gonna catch her way off guard. She gonna think we're just out there to see this beautiful waterfall, and then bang, I'ma hit her with it, man. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the vlog, man. There she go. I almost got caught. She busted open the door right after I recorded that, so shh, gotta keep it on the hush. Go! Hey. You alright?
Yeah.
Jay, you ready to go see the waterfall?
No, I wanna.
Oh. Okay, now we gotta get out the hardware. Make sure ain't nobody looking. Alright, let's go ahead and take a peek. Sight, y'all thought y'all was gonna see that? Not yet. We're going to Nantahala National Rain Forest to see Dry Falls. Hopefully it's still open.
You ain't checked?
I ain't checked. About 20 minutes away from the waterfall, we decided to make a pit stop real quick. There's a very nice view of the mountain, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out real quick. Let's go ahead and look at this beautiful view. Y'all ready to see the mountain?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. Here we are. This is the view right here. Road's big view. Look at that, man. Look at that. Gorgeous. Another quick stop. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice little lake right there. This is in Coney County in South Carolina. This ain't too far from us, actually. Look at that lake right there. It actually might be a river. But look at that, man. It's so dope. I actually found out about this place by riding a motorcycle. You know, when we on the bikes, we just find a curvy road, we pick a spot, and then we just, you know, set the GPS and get to it, you know what I'm saying? So the motorcycle, or my motorcycle in life rather, helped me discover this very nice area, not so far from the crib. Real peaceful, man. Jack, tell the people, you like the mountain so far? Yeah. Yeah, it's so cool, man. Look at that. It's the next little waterfall we found. It's super dope, super clean. You like it?
Yeah.
It's cool? Nature is so wondrous. It's so dope, man. Quarantine getting us closer with nature again, man. All right, people, we are here. We are here. Let's go check it out.
Extra, y'all. Oh, you got a big old.
Got the gimbal. Hey, so we out here. We made it out here. We better go check it out. A lot of people out here. It's a little chilly. A lot of wind. It ain't really cold, it's just the wind. So we about to go check it out. Too worried about her hair, so I just went ahead and threw my shirt up there. She still don't know what's going on. What y'all think?
Awesome, it's cold.
the beautiful waterfall. That's why. Did I catch you off guard? Do you like it? Did I catch you off guard? Look at it, y'all. Look at the bling. Ooh. Load up. Oh, it looked good. I was tricking y'all the whole time. Said we can't have a nice dinner and then I figured a waterfall would be nice.
Oh my God. I'm shocked.
I think she like it. All right, y'all. My battery about to die, so I don't know when it's gonna die, but she said yeah. Better. Oh, hold it out so they can see it. That's real VBS's right there. We got the paperwork and everything on it. Look at Mommy Rain. Look how it's blowing. You like the rain?
Yes. Oh my God.
It looks good. I did alright. Thank you. And it's freezing out here too, y'all. I took off my shirt so she can put it on her hair. And keep her hair tight. Out here freezing, but hey, it's worth it. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, so. All for that.
Good job, Quentin.
Thanks, Jakaya. She's still crying, y'all. Real rain. We got paperwork on it and everything. You can see the cut on it, the amount of carrots in it and all that fun stuff. But if you lose that one, then we have to go to Amazon or something. Take care of it. But yeah, get out of here. Any words for the people?
That's one my ring. That's why he's crying.
You can't have Mommy Ring, baby.
I'm shaking, y'all. I did not expect this.
Good. Cause I left in the door for a second. When I got in the car, I thought you could see this big old box. I was like, uh-oh. She might have saw it. One thing I'm surprised you ain't noticed, I was trying to hide it since we left the house. Look at my pocket.
Oh,
And neither one of y'all noticed that. Look at my pocket, man. My pocket been like that the whole time.
I would have asked you that.
That's crazy though. Look at that. That just look crazy. But made it work though. We got her. We got her. Beware, if you're standing under a big waterfall like this, the water gonna come back and get you. Look at that, man. Woo! Getting wetted up. Golly. So beware, if you go to a waterfall, bring you a little towel or a hoodie or a jacket, something like that. For real, you're gonna get wet. Yeah, it's about 45 minutes later. Tell them what you just see.
I told him it was a really pretty ring, and I really just looked at it like, I really just examined it. It's really pretty. He did a good job.
Thanks. Thanks for checking it out. It could have been anything up there. It could have been a little toy thing up there.
I know I seen it, but I ain't see it. You know?
Oh, okay.
I seen it, but I ain't see it.
Sure. I was nervous trying to slide on. I was like, uh-oh. You know, her fingers kind of, you know, interesting. I was like, I don't know, what if it don't slide on right?
Hey!
This boy love him some rocks, bro. Hey. Flex on him, Jack. Go like this. Go like this. Hey, the champ is here. The champ is here. Let me hold your hand. Go ahead. You jump now. Oh! Oh!
I want to
That boy athletic. Careful. Give me finger.